Do you recall the last time Prince William was seen on duty? It's been a while, hasn't it? That's right. The last time we caught a glimpse of the Prince of Wales in his official capacity was on the 20th of March. Prince William paid a visit to the Combermere Barracks near Windsor, where he met the members of the Welsh Guards. But this wasn't just a casual visit. The prince, at the age of 41, serves as the colonel of these brave guards, a position of honor and responsibility. The barracks, a symbol of strength and unity, were a fitting backdrop for Prince William's last royal duty before he stepped back to focus on his family. The Welsh Guards, known for their courage and discipline, reflect the prince's own commitment to duty and service. As their colonel, William is not just a figurehead, but an active part of their community, providing leadership and support. Following this visit, Prince William took a break from his official duties. But this wasn't your ordinary holiday. This was a time for family, a time for togetherness. The Easter holidays offered the prince and his family much-needed downtime to process the difficult news of Kate's diagnosis. At a time when families gather to celebrate renewal and hope, the prince chose to step back from his royal duties to be there for his wife and children. In the grand scheme of things, this decision speaks volumes about Prince William's priorities. He is, first and foremost, a dedicated family man. His role as a royal, while important, does not overshadow his role as a husband and a father. During this crucial period, when his wife Kate needed him the most, William chose to be by her side, to offer his unwavering support. Prince William, a dedicated family man, chose to prioritize family time during this crucial period. And as we move forward, we'll see this dedication reflected in his careful plan to protect his vulnerable wife as he eases back into his royal duties. Ever wondered what royal family time looks like, especially during challenging times? Well, to answer that, we need to step into the shoes of the royal family, particularly Prince William, who has been navigating a delicate balance between his public duties and his private life. The past 3.5 weeks have been especially significant for the prince and his family. Amid the hustle and bustle of royal responsibilities, they found solace in the quiet confines of their family home, away from the public eye. This period has been a sanctuary for them, a time to regroup and find strength in each other. You see, for the royals, family time isn't just about the laughter and the playful banter around the dinner table. It's about building resilience, creating memories, and nurturing bonds that will carry them through the toughest of times. In the context of Kate's recent diagnosis, this family time has taken on a whole new level of importance. The Duke and Duchess, along with their children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis, have been using this time to process the news, to discuss, to understand, and most importantly, to support each other. Imagine the conversations they must be having, the questions the children might be asking, and the strength they all must be showcasing. These are the moments that define a family. These are the moments that make them human, just like the rest of us. But it's not all serious. There's also the lighter side of family time, the board games, the bedtime stories, the shared meals. These are the moments that can bring joy, laughter, and a sense of normality to an otherwise challenging situation. So, while Prince William eases back into his royal duties, it's this precious family time that has provided the foundation for his careful plan. It's this time spent with his loved ones that's helping him balance his responsibilities and protect his wife during this vulnerable period. For a family that's always in the public eye, these private moments are priceless. So, how does a prince return to work after such a personal blow? Truly, it's a question that's been on the minds of many, and the answer lies in the careful planning of Prince William himself. Once the Easter holidays were over and the children were back in school, William decided it was time to return to his royal duties. But this wasn't a hasty decision. Instead, it was a calculated move, a strategy designed to protect his wife, Kate, during her convalescence. The Prince of Wales didn't rush back into a schedule packed with engagements. Rather, he started close to home, focusing on issues he deeply cares about, such as community and environmental conservation. This cautious approach ensured that he would be near Kate, available to support her, while he eased back into his work. His first outing took him to the food distribution charity, Surplus to Supper in Sunbury-on-Thames, Surrey. Here, William was seen assisting in the kitchen, loading food, and sharing his time with those who give so generously to help others. This wasn't a grand spectacle or a flashy event. It was a quiet, meaningful engagement that reflected William's deep-seated commitment to community service. Next, the prince headed off to a youth center in West London, a place that benefits from the charity's deliveries. Again, This was a carefully chosen engagement, one that aligns with William's dedication to supporting young people in their communities. These initial engagements were not only close to home, but they were also close to William's heart. And that's the key to his plan. By choosing engagements that matter to him, he's able to return to work while still being present for Kate and their children. Prince William's return to duty, then, is a study in thoughtful, compassionate leadership. It's a testament to his commitment to his family and his duties, and a reminder that even in the face of personal hardship, the work of a prince continues. A prince or not, returning to work after a family crisis requires a careful balance, and Prince William has shown us just how to strike that balance with grace and resilience. What do the experts say about Prince William's return to duty? Well, royal watchers and experts alike have been closely observing the prince's actions, and they've shared some insightful perspectives. One such expert, former BBC royal correspondent Jenny Bond, has offered her thoughts on Prince William's careful plan. Bond has spent years studying the royal family and their dynamics. She has seen them in times of joy, in times of sorrow, and in times of crisis. And so, when she speaks about the royals, her words carry an undeniable weight. She points out that Prince William's choice to return to work the day after the children go back to school is a sensible one. It allows him to ensure his children are settled before refocusing on his royal duties. This shows a keen awareness of the importance of balance, a balance between his responsibilities as a father and his obligations as a future king. Bond also notes that William's return has been cautious. He's chosen engagements close to home and those that align with his passions, community, and the environment. This suggests that while he's keen to return to his duties, he's also mindful of the need to be available for his wife, Kate, and their children. This careful plan demonstrates not only his commitment to his role as a prince, but also his dedication as a husband and a father. It's a delicate balancing act, and according to Bond, William is handling it with grace and thoughtfulness. In Bond's view, these actions also speak volumes about the prince's character. They show a man who, even in the face of personal adversity, remains dedicated to his duties and his family. They show a man who is thoughtful, caring, and deeply committed to the causes he believes in. So, what does this all mean? Well, as Bond suggests, it's a testament to Prince William's strength and resilience. It's a testament to his ability to navigate difficult situations with grace and care. In short, it's a testament to the kind of future king he will be. Even in trying times, Prince William's commitment to his duties and his family remains unwavering. What does all this tell us about Prince William and his role in the royal family? As we've seen, Prince William's approach to the recent challenges reveals a lot about his character and his dedication to both his family and his royal duties. His decision to step back from his official commitments to focus on family time during Kate's treatment was a testament to his prioritization of family well-being above all else. The last royal duty he performed was a visit to the Combermere Barracks, a significant occasion that he attended as the Colonel of the Welsh Guards. It was this commitment to service that defined him, and it's this same commitment that we see reflected in his plan to return to work. His return to duty has been careful and considered, starting with involvement in causes close to his heart, such as the Surplus to Supper charity. This shows us how he balances his official responsibilities with his personal passions, seamlessly integrating the two in his role as a royal. According to the insights from former BBC royal correspondent Jenny Bond, Prince William's approach is strategic and thoughtful. He chose to return to work the day after his children went back to school, ensuring their stability before focusing on his royal obligations. This speaks volumes about his dedication to his family and his ability to juggle his personal life with his royal duties. In the grand scheme of things, Prince William's actions paint a bigger picture of his role within the royal family and his future as a king. His ability to navigate through personal adversity while maintaining his royal duties, his commitment to causes he's passionate about, and his unwavering dedication to his family are all attributes of a future king. It's clear that his careful planning and dedication to his family, even in the face of adversity, are not only admirable but also indicative of the kind of leader he will be. In the face of adversity, Prince William continues to demonstrate the strength of character that makes him a future king.